Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Xoom money transfer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what we're going to do over here is we're simply going to go ahead and open up our Xoom app, which we can do through our website itself as well, or you can directly download the app going to your App Store or Play Store accordingly and downloading the particular app that you need. Now Xoom, as mentioned, a PayPal service itself, so you will need to access it through a PayPal account. You can do it by simply logging with your PayPal account information, sign up with PayPal as well, or you can log in with Xoom itself as well. You're going to choose the option. Once you have done that, you can tap on next, add in the email, add in your password, log in. As soon as you've logged in, you will have an option of checking your balance. You can transfer money by choosing the country, adding the currency, adding the amount, choosing the recipient name information, and you can send the money as well. And you can also do that to many country as long as the people has the access to sending the money to that country. That's how you can simply use the Xoom money transfer. Make sure you have a PayPal account, and that is basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.